Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick life update video. It's well overdue. I said I was going to do this video, but I never got around to it. I feel like now is the perfect time to do it since there's been a lot of changes in my life, all that I am very much so grateful for. Let's go ahead and get into this life update. So I categorized everything into groups. I did relationships, and I have my notes right here. I did relationship, YouTube, career, and travel and transportation. So as far as my relationship goes, I have been single and celibate for 9 months now, and I feel like I rebirthed myself, because you know how you carry a baby for 9 months. So I feel like this was my rebirth season, my rebirth time, so that I can concentrate on myself, concentrate on my goals. If you all hear noise in the background, it is raining. I got to work early today so I can film this video, but it is raining outside, so please ignore that, okay? So I feel like I needed this time to focus on myself, focus on what I like, what I don't like about, you know, myself, why, dig deep and figure out the answers, figure out what I want and I don't want in a relationship, how I see my future, because I feel like my vision wasn't far enough, because I wasn't thinking better of myself. Let me just put it that way. So when I started learning how to love myself more without anyone else's approval, I began to want more for myself. As far as friends go, my circle of friends have gotten a lot smaller. I'm not sad about it because there's less distractions in my life and I have more opportunity to focus on myself, and I'm just grateful for that. I feel like God put me in this season for a reason, and I'm really now able to focus on myself and figure out what I really want to do, how I want my life to look. Of course, with his guidance. A downside of moving in silence is that you might lose friends. Some people like to know every move that you make, and if you don't let them know every move that you make, they feel like you're acting funny, you're acting distant. But I feel like when people have that mindset, they miss out on a lot of blessings. They treat you bad. They try to use you because they don't know that you can be a blessing to them. They miss out on their own blessings. So that's just what I have to say about that as far as friends and friendships. On the other side, I am open to forming new friendships with like-minded people, people who have businesses, people who are in education, people who aspire to be better in the future, who have goals that they're actively working on, setting goals, being intentional. If those type of people come in my life, I will open-heartedly be ready to form friendships and bonds with those type of people. I've also, since we're on the topic of relationships, I've also decided to keep my relationships off of my YouTube channel. Now, the reason why I want to keep my relationships off my YouTube channel, I feel like it just keeps my channel in a positive mood, because I just don't want to bring other people into my channel, introduce them to you all, and it doesn't work out, and then I have to go back and delete videos because I don't want negative energy on my channel. So to prevent all of that, I'm just going to not put them up here. The only guy that you will see on my channel in the future will be my husband, and that's just that on that. You probably won't even see us dating, maybe, but I won't show his face. But a plus to that is that everything I upload from here on out will stay on my channel. I'm trying to build my content. We have about 300 videos on YouTube right now, so I'm just trying to build my catalog with good content, quality that you all will enjoy watching. Now, as far as my YouTube channel goes, I am close to 6,000 subscribers. I'm super duper excited about that. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. I'm just amazed at how many people support what I do on this channel. I started my channel, I think, in 2013, if I'm not mistaken, with an iPhone 4S, and I sat in front of a window. So let that be motivation for anybody who wants to start a YouTube channel. Just start. I love going back and watching my old videos, to see where I started. That humbles me very much so. For all of you who have ever subscribed, comment, liked, shared any of my videos, I just want to say thank you so much, and I appreciate all the love and support from you all. I would not be here right now if it wasn't for you all's support and love to me and my channel. I just want to say thank you. We are also at 242,000 channel views, and I'm just amazed at that number. Greatly appreciate it, and it's only up from here. 2020 isn't over yet. Now, as far as my career goes, I'm currently living in Orlando, Florida. I was living in Vero Beach, Florida, but that was only temporary. Now I am in Orlando, Florida. I'm working as a substitute teacher, working, saving, paying stuff off, all of that good stuff. I've been updating you all like in little segments of what was going on in my life. Currently, I am a substitute teacher in Orlando, Florida, and I love my job. I just love the fact that I can make an impact on children's lives in a positive way, and literally watch them as their minds grow and explore, and I'm just so thankful for that. Now, on another note, do I want to do this for the rest of my life? So currently, I'm a substitute teacher. I don't see myself as being a substitute teacher for the rest of my life. I feel like life gives you seasons, and when you have those certain seasons, you want to embrace it fully and take it on and learn from it. Me being a substitute teacher, this has given me more experience with working with kids. It's also given me experience with networking. Currently in a position where I get calls on a daily basis from different schools that I've subbed at, and it's just all about making connections. I've connected with teachers, I've connected with administration. It just feels good when you know that you are connected with a lot of people. So if I ever wanted to come back to teaching and get my teaching certification, I know where to go because I have connections now. It's toning in my networking skills, which can only help me in the long run. I'm just so grateful for this season. But as far as me doing this for the rest of my life, I would have to say no, because I know where my passion is. My passion is in my business. It brings me so much joy when I can help other people start their business. So I just have to fine tune that and figure out exactly what I need to do in my business to expand and grow in that. Travel and transportation. I was taking lifts to work, but now God has blessed me with a car. I am so thankful. All glory goes to God, and that's just that on that. God has really been showing out for 2020, and I'm just so thankful for everything. I was able to purchase a 2020 Nissan Versa SV, and for this to be my first car, a lot of people will say, oh, you're a late bloomer, you're getting your first car at 25. But look, my first car was a 2020. In 2020. We're in 2020, and I have a 2020 car. So I feel like that's kind of like delayed gratification. When you delay instant gratification, you get what you want. And God has shown me that, and I'm a lot more patient now. I am so grateful. Car tour will be coming soon, you guys. I haven't found the right parking lot. I'm very particular in how I want my video to look. So when I find the perfect parking lot, which I think I just found it yesterday, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna film the video. We're gonna have vlogs coming soon, travel vlogs, all that good stuff. So I hope you all enjoyed this life update. It was well overdue. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.